If you've ever wanted to move multiple elements together in Photoshop without constantly reselecting them, linking layers is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link layers in Photoshop, step by step, so you can keep your workflow organized and save a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to select the layers you want to link. Go over to your Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the first layer you want to include. If the layers are separated, hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each layer one by one. This lets you pick only the specific layers you want. If your layers are in a row next to each other, there's an even faster way. Hold down Shift and click the last layer in the group. Photoshop will automatically select everything in between your first click and your last click. This is perfect when you want to link a block of layers all at once. Once your layers are highlighted, look at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see the Link Layers icon, which looks like a small chain. Click that icon to bind the selected layers together. You can also right-click any of the highlighted layers and choose Link Layers from the menu if that's easier for you. After that, Photoshop will confirm the link visually. You'll notice a little chain icon appear on the right side of each linked layer. That means those layers are now connected and will move together whenever you drag one of them. To test it, grab the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Then click any one of the linked layers on your canvas and drag it around. You'll see the other linked layers follow along as a group. This is extremely helpful for keeping logos, text, shapes, and design elements aligned while you work. A quick tip here, linking layers is different from grouping layers. Linking it keeps layers connected for movement and transforms, while grouping is better for organizing and managing larger projects. If you're building layouts or need elements to stay in sync, linking is a great option. If you ever want to unlink the layers later, just select the linked group again and click the Link Layers icon one more time, or use the right-click menu and choose Unlink Layers. That will separate them so you can edit them individually again. So that's how to link layers in Photoshop in just a few clicks. Select your layers, click the chain icon, and move them together with ease. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.